Hey guys, I decided to do another bike check video because a lot of stuff has changed up on my bike, and I just wanted to acknowledge some of the stuff that's changed up. I know I'm in the house. It's a house, okay, and I have my bike out, so I'll put it in here to do it because it's cold outside. So let's do it. Well, we're gonna go from the bottom up. So we got Vittora Moda tires. Vittora tires. I got the Moda and the Martello. Just going to go ahead and wipe that off the list. These things are extremely grippy. Not a fan of them, though, because, only like, focus, only like maybe a month and a half, and look, already wear. And I'm only 125 pounds, so I don't see how, and I'm 5'2", so I don't see how that bike would get worn that fast. You know? Alright, so we're going to move technically up or down, I don't really know. Technically up. To the rims and the hubs. Alright, so we got some Hopes, Pro 4 Hopes, with some Raceface Arc 30 wheels. Front one's bent, but that's slightly. Moving up to the brakes, SLX 4 pistons.